Hello friends, this is Yusuf again with an exciting tutorial on Photoshop, and today I'm going to teach you how to make cartoon effect. Yes, we all love cartoon, and what we're going to be creating today is from this image to this. Isn't it lovely? Yeah. So we'll just see how we can create this, and it's a very simple steps involved in this, only I think 2 or 3 steps involved, and we're going to be seeing how we're going to do it. So first of all, just upload whatever image you want, and just see to it that you don't have a lot of contrast, and you don't have a lot of, not the image is not into a lighter color. So just choose an image which has a bit of contrast and a bit of brightness, and it should be like mix of this. I don't know, but I choose this image, and yeah, basically this is me, but you can choose, you can take any image of your choice. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna unlock this layer. This layer is locked, so what we'll do is we're gonna hold Alt on the keyboard and double click on the layer. So when we do this, the layer gets free, and what you can do is we'll duplicate the layer, and we can do that by shortcut, and that shortcut is Control plus J on the keyboard. So when you do that, you can see that layer has been created, and the original layer, what you can do is you can name it as original or backup layer, because you can use this layer later, and we're going to be working on this. So the first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to select this layer, and directly we're gonna apply first of all, what you should be having is you should have black in the foreground color and white as a background color. So after that, we're gonna be applying the filter, and there'll be a drop down menu where you have loads of filters here, and we're gonna be going to sketch, and we're gonna select stamp. So you can see the effect is applied, and it has given us a black and white threshold effect. So you can just tweak in the your values here to get a perfect, you don't have to use the same values what I am using, and I think it's more, and 47 is better, I feel. Yeah, 47 is better, and you can play around with smoothness. This will increase or decrease the darkness, and this is fine. Okay, just click OK, and you can see that your image has been now converted into a image that looks like a pencil sketch. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna be applying color on it, and just create a new layer. When you come to this bottom right corner, there's a layer called create new layer. So you can just click on that, and it will create a new layer. Set the blending mode to color dodge or lighten, and we're gonna select the paintbrush, and we're gonna be selecting the color. Just we'll see what color I've applied here. Okay, it's a kind of a cream color, so we'll just try to get this color. Okay, select this. I'll just select the eyedropper here from here, and I'll select this. I've selected the color, and then what I'll do is I'll take up the paintbrush. I'll set up the diameter of the paintbrush a little bit smaller, and I will have a little half of the hardness in the paintbrush, so it doesn't put a lot of feathering into the painting, and I'll start painting on the face. So here you can see that I've started painting on the face, and you can see that okay, yeah, I have to change the blending mode. So let's see which blending mode is better. Okay, it's darken. So you have to set the blending mode to darken on the new layer, and you will start painting on that. So after you start painting, so you can just paint it, and you can see this is so simple step. You just go to filters, and you apply the stamp effect from sketch, and there you go. You got here to the black and white image that looks like a pencil sketch, and you create a new layer, and you start applying the colors. And remember that you need to put the blending mode to darken, so that it blends with the background black and white. And here you go. So after I'll just do a bit fast here. So there you go. So wherever the skin is there, I'll make it this color. You can use any color. It's just a matter of you know being creative. And you can see I've used blue here, a very dark blue or purple I can say. And what I'll do is I'll just go to this image and I'll select the eyedropper tool and I'll select this color, select it, and now I'll take the paintbrush tool and I'll start painting on this. So you can see, and here you go. I think I messed it up with that. What I'll do is again I'll select the key, I'll take this color and I'll just clear this part. You don't have to worry with the black color thing, it will just hide it. And I'll give some other color to this t-shirt. Okay, so what I'll do is I won't go and select from the eyedropper tool. I'll just take this color, I'll give him a red t-shirt, it's fine. So I'll just select the color from here and I'll click OK. So the foreground color is red. So what I'll do is I'll just make it like this and just paint it here. It's your work, like you can be more precise and you can take a bit time here to give it more attractive coloring. I won't be that precise just for the tutorial purpose. I'm doing it a bit rough. So here you go, you've got this awesome color. And I've added some of the like the brown color for the tree, and I've added some a layer, like I've added a kind of flares, optical flares, and I'll just show you how to do that. And after getting this, what we can do is we can create new layer, and I'll make this black. And after doing it black, then I'll select the paint bucket tool. This is called as paint bucket tool. What this will do is it'll put the whole color onto the layer, okay. I selected red, sorry, and we'll select black and we'll make it black. Okay, that's great. Now there's some problem with this. I'll just delete this and I'll make it again new layer and I'll make it black. So after I've applied black color onto this layer, what I'll do is I'll go to filter, I'll select render, I'll go to render, and I'll use lens flare. So what this will do is basically you can select any lens flare here. You have different types of lens type, and this is 50 mm and 300 mm, 300 mm, and there's 35 mm. It depends on what you are creating, like what kind of flare you want. So just select that and click OK, and position is onto the layer and click OK. So you can see I've placed this, and we don't have this on the cartoon layer. So what we'll do is we'll go to blending selection and we'll just select screen. So you can see I've placed the layer optical flare here. So I can move the layer up, but you can place anywhere, but you'll get these edges. You gotta be removing it using the eraser tool. You can just select it and you can just give a bit of as if it got blended with this. But I won't do this. It's all your wish. Be creative and just do this. So this is the tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel, watch my tutorials. There'll be exciting tutorials, and thanks a lot.